Yep, so we are going up Ben Lomond. Not we. Yeah, me. Yeah. Again, after a break. Not too much of a break, but still a break. Yeah, so we're starting now. 8:30 in the morning. Long way to go. Yep, I didn't really knew what kind of a day it was. And apparently, it's a pretty rainy day. And the only thing for us is, I'm not in a rush to finish this, or I don't really care if I finish it or not. Yeah, if it's too rainy, snowy, or, something windy, we'll stop it and turn back. That's it. The most shitty thing about this hike is I didn't take water. So I'm going to drink from the streams or whatever. I don't think there are many streams either. So, yeah, it's going to be a bit stressful. We end up finding a water bottle on the roadside. I don't know, but that might save my life today. It's not super heavy rain, a drizzle for now, which is okay. So that's where Ben Lomond is. We can't see that because it's misty. So let's see how it would be when we go into the mist soon, in like 15 minutes. Yeah. This is actually a nice spot, especially in summertime. Like a really nice spot to take a break and before you go up the hill. I used to love this kind of weather, but the only thing is you have to be running, otherwise you get cold. And when you actually run, the interesting thing is you can actually wear very little clothes and still be warm. But my poor leg is not in a mood to run. Yeah. That's the view. I have to tighten the shoe. It's not particularly tight. Yeah. Yeah. Really essential to keep support for the ankle. Tight laces. Haven't met anybody. This is a bit, yeah, because you have headwind, which is not that fun, especially when you go uphill. Yep. It is windy, rainy. Yeah. Not the nicest experience, but still there's still some view of the loch. It's not like, yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's all about getting your body dirty to clean your mind. That was copied from Power Drift video, but that's true. There's something that cleanses your mind when you get your body dirty and work too hard. It's more energetic. Yeah. Good. Lovely. Good. Cycles it. There was snow. still water flowing. This is actually the ice water. I guess I kind of a bit underestimated the distance because I thought that's what seems like it's a bit further than I thought. Quite a bit. Anyway, we will make it soonish, I guess. Who knows? Hello, Snoop. Snoop? Oh. Go straight up because it's not ideal for my grip. So we did that. We did that. Yeah. It's supposed to be beautiful, but
I've seen some photos from the summit.
right. Yeah.
Actually, my camera right here, it's better conditions.
Yeah. A bit problem because this is only that trip.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe see you again in
On some hill.
Yeah.
You too. It's so painful on your face. And also the wind is pretty strong, so yeah, I'm sitting down just because pretty chilly and tiring. Yeah, but we made it, Joe. We made it. Yeah, we are kind of getting out of the extreme wind and hazardous zone. That's one good thing about Ben Lomond. It's just the top portion which is a bit tricky. The rest is kind of doable in any weather. Yeah, if it's not. Oh, wow. Well. And I'm totally soaked. So cold, it's oakish temperature. Yeah. We're still walking, hill walking. And this shoe is practically drenched. I don't know what to do. Feel sad about that. Yeah. Anyway, what to do? This shoe. Tree line, and then 2 more kilometers, I would say, in total, or maybe 3. Yeah, but now we have a reference because we can see the lock. We are out of the clouds. Okay, bye Ben Lomond, I can't even see you, but anyway. Kind of wanting to finish this. Is that a waterfall? You can hear it, but you can't see it. Yeah, I should do 2 more of Ben Lomond, and we are at 10. And if we're around, we could definitely do more, Then yeah. But like 10 was like a dream, right? So finishing a dream is a bit nice thing. That's not even a waterfall, that's just a small waterfall thingy going down here. Basically we can see the clouds there. It's just covering that kind of height. So we just got out of that height. That's why we have visibility. But above this level it's pitch black, or just thick cloud cover, like totally covered. Yeah, we kind of escaped from it because when we went up there were still clouds, but not like this level. But yeah, I guess it's moving kind of north. You can also see clouds there. It's just occupying high elevation, totally covering it. We are back by the waterfalls. Not the waterfall, but the stream. First stream crossing, I guess. Yeah. Almost there. almost maybe 150-meter descent, and that's us. Yeah, so we are back. This is where we started, and this is where we stop. We are back. Eighth time on Ben Lomond. Done and dusted. I don't have I do have a bottle, but I'm not going to take it out at the moment. Yeah. Done and dusted. Whew. My God. Hectic.